Hi, today I am going to show you how to find water using a Y-shaped rod, coconut and an instrument called as magnetometer. Normally this compass we will be using it to navigate, for navigation and all we will be using this compass, but its use has been extended to find water also. Okay, we are seeing that this has got a compass. Okay, a measuring instrument which shows your north and south position. Okay, then it has got a leveler, which here you can level it actually where it is there or anything, and an space where you can catch the compass after measurement or anything which can be directly done after finding water. Okay, this is not an authenticated thing to find water, but in addition to our traditional techniques, this instrument is used to find water, and after calculations it gives the exact measurement of water flow, or we'll be saying how much water flow will be there, and the output can be measured by this instrument also on seeing the deflection that has been there. Okay. First we'll do one thing, we'll find water using a Y-shaped rod, and this is an Y-shaped rod which I've designed on my own. As you see that due to magnetic lines of force we are having this deflection at this place. I'll show it again. But one thing is that you have to find which is the exact place where you get water, because as we will see, the magnetic deflection depends upon different varieties of things which moves. Okay, for example, you would have studied at a younger age, when you keep iron fillings and below a magnet means it shows the line of force. Okay, in the same force there are lines of force, and due to magnetic and iodomotor effect which is done on the muscles, this moves. And for cross verification you move and you get the same deflection, and by using coconut also we can find. Okay, we see that in some videos we see that they are saying that we are pushing using your finger and all. Okay, due to your energy that is moving, this coconut works. Okay, so we are now having a reliability structure that using both these instruments we have found water at this place. Okay, now we will see how instrument works and what is the possibility in it. Normally when we see that this is in a position of north and south. Okay, so when this deflection changes, we'll be seeing that this has been arranged such that it shows east and west. Okay, that is the difference in this one. Okay, you can see that west is here, east is there. Okay, we have seen when we are moving this around this, we see a movement in this one. Okay, when you see closely you can find there is a movement. Okay, see there is a movement in this one. Again when we leave it increases, and when we go to this back to this position, it goes to east and west. Okay, so when it moves to above the point, when the deflection changes, what we do means we exactly catch the deflection such that what is the angle of differences that has been deflected has been found. Okay, to do this thing exactly, we have to know two things which is inside. One is leveler is there. Okay, both the leveler is there. You have to level it particularly, okay, such that it stands properly. And when we move, there is a deflection, and we are catching this deflection, and we are calculating what is the degree that has been obtained from its original to this one. Okay, so after calculations, we see that we will be knowing how to see there is water, and we'll be seeing that there is water. And next thing is we'll be also knowing that what is the amount of water that you can get from this one. You can't exactly measure what is the quality of water or anything by this one. Just an additional instrument which deflects magnetic thing. Actually this is a magnetic one which is aligned, and due to the deflection it changes. Okay, see, that is what we are seeing using this coconut and pendulum also. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.